ये जो 2 वैक्सीन पड़ा है उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं मालूम पड़ रहा है।
लोग अपने राइट्स के बारे में बहुत बोलते हैं, लेकिन अपनी जिम्मेदारियों के बारे में बहुत कम बोलते हैं।
I'm not sure about that. Sometimes people get COVID even after taking 2 doses.
Yes, I do believe in vaccines. Long back ago, there was a polio which was existing in India, and even this moms and all. But after giving vaccines, they all cured, and now hardly we get to learn that some people are affected by polio or mumps or smallpox.
That's what is claimed by most of the doctors and scientists. So I go by what they say. In my personal life, I didn't see any negative reaction so far.
Absolutely. Vaccines are necessary to get people back to normal life as soon as possible. We've been held back, and now that vaccines are available, for people who are hesitant in taking vaccines, we must find ways of convincing them that they should take the vaccine and they should get back to normalcy.
तो कोविड के बारे में जो वैक्सीन निकली है वो थोड़ा जल्दबाजी में हुई है, लेकिन उस पर भी बहुत स्टडी करके और टेस्टिंग करके ही निकाली है, और ये बहुत बड़ी महामारी है। तो इसमें जो इतने अर्जेंसी में वैक्सीन निकली है तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया एक्चुअली।
जैसा अभी आप बोल रहे हैं तो ये पहले का जैसा वैक्सीन जो बचपन में दिया हुआ होगा उससे तो अपने को अनुभव नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो 2 वैक्सीन पड़ा है उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं मालूम पड़ रहा है।
It is against our rights.
It should be made compulsory, because I feel some people are ignorant actually, and they with overconfidence they think that vaccine is not necessary.
Yeah, if the majority of the scientific community says that this is what is for the good of the majority, I think we should go with the majority opinion.
No, it is our choice, but it's also in the larger good of society and the nation that people should get both the vaccines, because taking the vaccine is not only going to protect you, but it's also going to protect others. So in any public place, if half the people have taken both the vaccines and the other half has not, then it becomes very impossible, quite difficult to get back to normalcy, whether it's in offices, whether it's out shopping, whether you're going to a restaurant or a cinema hall. Getting both the vaccines should be the norm.
लोग अपने राइट्स के बारे में बहुत बोलते हैं, लेकिन अपनी जिम्मेदारियों के बारे में बहुत कम बोलते हैं। तो आज अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिखाना, अपनी जिम्मेदारी दिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। देश के प्रति ये एक भावना है। जिस तरह से सोल्जर अपने बॉर्डर पे हमारी रक्षा के लिए खड़े होते हैं, वैसे ही हमें भी अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझकर इस कोविड के सिचुएशन में, ये कोरोना के खिलाफ हमें हमारी जो जंग है उसमें हमारी जिम्मेदारी दिखानी चाहिए।
एक्चुअली जो सरकार का है वैक्सीन बना हुआ, उनके लिए अगर दे रहे हैं सबको तो सेफ्टी के लिए है। सेफ्टी हो तो बहुत अच्छा बात है। अगर जिनको प्रॉब्लम है, कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो ज़रूरी जो आप वैक्सीन लेना ज़रूरी है, लेकिन जिनको प्रॉब्लम है उनको तो ज़रूरी है। लेकिन अभी जो गवर्नमेंट गाइडलाइन दिया है तो हर आदमी को फॉलो करना चाहिए।
Even that is wrong, because I still believe that vaccines create certain power or immunity in us.
So that before I got COVID, I felt ki it is just a rumor and people just making hype. But when I got COVID, then I felt no, it is existing. Yes, and we all should take vaccine, irrespective of what people say. Till they get they have to face any consequences, they will say like that. But once they get it, then I think their means perception will change.
There is always this minority groups for any issues, starting from flat earthers and UFOs, and they see something, which majority don't agree.
Well, they do have an influence in their immediate surroundings, but as I said, it's up to people who believe in the utility and the efficacy of vaccines to convince them. And we've been seeing that happening. I mean, for example, initially with maids and drivers who were slightly, perhaps under the influence of the anti-vaxxers, we've managed to convince them to get themselves vaccinated.
ज़्यादातर है कि किसी एक को कुछ तकलीफ होती है तो लोग सोचते अरे ये वैक्सीन का बहुत गलत परिणाम हो रहा है मैं नहीं लूँगा, तो ये गलत बात है। हार्डली 0.1% लोगों को इसकी तकलीफ हो रही है, तो उससे हम बाकी 99.99 लोगों को ये सोचना नहीं चाहिए कि ये गलत है करके।
Hi, thanks for watching Logically India. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We make weekly episodes on what India thinks. If there's any topic you want us to explore, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to download the Logically app for more interesting fact checks. This is Team Logically signing out.